Bluey opened her eyes with a heavy breath. The world around her felt strange. Could something unusual be happening today? She stepped outside slowly. The air carried a whisper. Trees swayed as if alive. Bluey felt her fur stand tall. What kind of mystery waited ahead? Bingo rushed over panting. She shouted, "Bluey, there is something glowing in the park." Bluey's eyes widened in shock. A glow in the park at night. Dad grabbed his coat quickly. Mom gasped with worry. The whole family ran together toward the park. Could they face whatever was waiting? The glow pulsed brighter. It beat like a heartbeat. Bluey stared hard, unable to blink. Her tail stiff with fear. What if it was dangerous? Suddenly, the ground rumbled loud. Bluey and Bingo held each other tightly. The glow cracked open like an egg. From inside rose a giant shadow. Could it be real? The shadow stretched tall into the sky. It roared with power, shaking the ground. Bingo squeaked with fear. Bluey shouted, "We must be brave." Dad stepped in front of them. Mom grabbed Bingo's paw. Bluey clenched her teeth with courage. She yelled loudly, "We will not run." The shadow leaned closer. But then, a spark of light burst from Bluey's chest. The glow met the shadow. It blasted across the park. Could Bluey hold this power? The air exploded with color. The shadow shrieked, fading away. Bluey collapsed into Dad's arms, trembling. Bingo cried, "We did it!" The glow shrank into a tiny orb. It floated gently into Bluey's paw. She smiled weakly but proud. A gift of courage rested with her now. Dad hugged her tight with relief. Mom whispered, "You saved us, Bluey." Bingo laughed through tears. Their family's stronger than ever. And you. Yes, you. If you felt the courage with Bluey, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you so much for watching.